you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to attempt to do a bob cut on my frontal unit, and I want to do like the blonde patch or the blonde streak in the middle. It's a loud car or truck. Dang, going about your business. So loud and they ain't even moving. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt that. So I knew y'all were going to probably fuss me out or be upset if I didn't show how I got the blonde patch in the middle, because I was only going to show the bob cut. So yeah, I'm gonna first show you all how I do the blonde streak in the middle, and then I'm going to do the bob cut, and then of course I will show you all how I put on my units and all of that jazz. So of course, if you do enjoy this video, please do not hesitate to hit that thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate it. It lets me know if you all enjoy these type of videos or not. Also, if you are not a subscriber, I would greatly appreciate it if you did subscribe and join the family. I know you would not regret it. We are definitely growing over here, okay? Last but not least, if you have subscribed or you are a subscriber and you want to keep up with all of my uploads or when I upload, please be sure to hit the bell button to stay notified of when I upload in the future. All right, y'all, so of course I'm not gonna ramble. I know nobody likes when people ramble in videos, so we're gonna get right on into it. Okay, y'all, so this is the unit that I'm going to be working with today. This is a unit, a frontal unit that I made using Klaiyi. I know I'm saying it wrong, so I'm gonna put the information down below. I think it's Klaiyi or Klaiyi hair, but I am using 3 bundles and a frontal, all in 16 inches of their Malaysian straight texture, okay? But yeah, so this is the hair, all in 16 inches, okay? I sewed everything on a dome cap. Before I get started, let me show you what I'm going to use to bleach the hair. So I'm going to use the Klaiyi colors. This is the blue one. I'm going to be using this for the powder, and I'm going to use a 40 volume today. I'm going to try to get it as blonde as I can within one processing, because I don't really have time to be doing multiple processing and I don't want to wait too long. So I'm going to be watching it like a hawk to make sure I don't over process it, but I'm going to be using a 40 volume developer as well. It's so bright in here, y'all, I'm sorry. But these are the 2 things I'm going to use, and I will come back and show you all me bleaching the streak in the hair. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna just part a section in the front here. I don't want mine too big. Okay, so I'm gonna use this amount right here. Let me bend it down. I'm gonna use this amount. Okay, and I'm gonna just wrap it up, just to make sure I don't get nothing. All right, y'all, so I have it all wrapped. So all I'm dealing with is this, okay? Here's my mixture of bleach, and I'm just gonna go ahead on and start to put it on the hair.
Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Look how I'm living now. Police be tripping now. Yeah, this is America. Guns in my area. I got the strap. I gotta carry 'em. Yeah, I'ma go into this. Yeah, this is Gorilla. Yeah, I'ma go get the bag. Yeah, or I'ma get the pad. Yeah, I'm so cold like, yeah, I'm so dull like, yeah.
Okay, so I have the top of the hair wrapped as well with this plastic cap. So I'm gonna just let it sit here. So I'm gonna keep checking on it. I don't know how long I'm gonna process it right now, so I will come back and let you guys know how long I let it process when we see the finished result for the blonde streak. All right, y'all, so I'll be back once everything is done processing and washed out so you guys can see everything, okay? All right, y'all, so this is what I'm looking like right now. I just went ahead and flat ironed it some, so that way when I go in to cut it, I can just, you know, cut it appropriately. For the most part, I'm gonna go in and flat iron a little bit more. This is what I'm looking like right now, y'all. I didn't want the patch to be this thick. I wanted like a skinnier one. I should have did like a little triangle in the front and did like the little two skinnier, the two little skinnier ones. But it's all good. We live and we learn. Next time when I do it, I'll make sure to do it smaller for the look that I was going for. But this is gonna be interesting. I left the bleach on for 20 minutes. I checked on it 10 minutes and then 10 minutes again. I washed it out with a, let me pull this up. I washed it out with a neutralizing shampoo, the orange one. I forgot the name of it. I put all the things that I use down below in the description box. Wash it out with that. Use the Shimmerlite shampoo. Let that sit on the hair for about a good 10 minutes. Wash it out. And then I use my Tresemme conditioner, the Moisture Rich, to condition it. I might, I don't know if I'm gonna change it or not, but I might change it to like a side part. We'll see. I'm gonna see how it looks when I try it on and everything. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next clips.
Jumping right on them, thinking really good to end the pain in the house. Also to the
holding me, touching me, feeling my every, holding me, touching me, feeling my every, holding me, touching me, feeling my every, holding me, touching me, feeling my every.
Boy, I can't understand it. See, I never really felt like I do when I'm around you, baby. And I just can't explain it, but I'm feeling so high, and I just can't deny it's on you. Tell me you want my love, baby, please don't deny what you're feeling inside. Holding me, touching me, feeling my every need. Seems so real, like I'm falling in love. Boy, I feel like I'm falling. Ooh, you're my desire. Oh, baby, I'm falling head over heels. Holding me, touching me, feeling my every, holding me, touching me, feeling my every, holding me, touching me, feeling my every, holding me, touching me, feeling my every. Baby, I'm longing just to have you to myself. I don't want nobody else, no. Baby, my body's calling, holding me, touching me, feeling my every need.
I know you like the way I act. You've been around real cats all your life since way back. You still got it, cause you was turned out once. Guess you learned ain't no future with the burnt out stunts. Left the hood to get your own thing. With home team pushing through, watch your chrome gleam. Yeah, you probably heard that my pipe game tight. Rockin' VVS stones, powder blue whips with egg headlights. Center weed, getting all in your wig. I put out the trees and crack the moon roof only for you to breathe. You get an extra set of keys. I tell the world while I'm out on tour, keep your hands on my girls, the law, the law.
Yeah, you don't want it.
Holding me, touching me, feeling my every need. Seems so real, like I'm falling in love. Boy, I feel like I'm falling. Ooh, you're my desire. Oh, baby, I'm falling head over heels.
Touching me, feeling my every, holding me, touching me, feeling my every,
Holding me, touching me, feeling my every, holding me, touching me.